So welcome back. Today we're going to be doing outfits like this. As far as the color, we're going to be doing cream color outfits. I have a few planned out. I think we're going to do about 3 looks here today. So it's going to be a nice, simple, short, to the point type of video. And we're going to start off with this one. Okay, so for the first look, we have this denim cream colored dress from Target, from the Who What Wear collection. Yeah, well, the Who What Wear brand that's sold at Target. Some Target locations, I believe, have that brand sold there. So I have this first dress. It has one pocket at the top. It's a button up. Buttons start like right at the belly button. And I like the length of this dress here. It's really nice. I don't want to say modest because it's not all the way down to the knees, but you know, it's a cute length without being too short or too long, you know. It's cute. And then I like the waist here because of the belt. And it already has this like built-in paper bag look there, which is a nice little trend that's happening. And that's the back of it, and it does have pockets. So I wore this look yesterday. I have this posted on my Instagram, but I wore this look yesterday out to drinks with a friend, and it was good. It was good. It was warm enough with having this on. I also wore like a long sleeve shirt underneath here, but yeah, you could wear that. And I wore some full length boots. Let me show you. So I wore these boots with this dress yesterday. So that was a cute look. And then I had a cute colored bag. I also wore this bag along with it. So that was how I wore the look. I'm not going to put it on right now, but because those boots don't zip up and down. But yeah, so I wore tan and shades of brown because that bag is like an ombre color. And I wore that together. And it was a really cute look. So that's what I wore. That's how I styled this. I love this dress. So yeah, you can do this with browns like I did. You can do this with some nice colors. I would like to do this with like a hot pink, just because that's a cute color for the summertime. This would be really nice to wear once the nights start getting warmer. This would be perfect to wear without an undershirt underneath. You know, have it unbuttoned just a little bit more. If you got cleavage, girl, show it off. If you don't, show that chest off. It's still cute. But yeah, so this is the first cream look. We're gonna go to the next one. Okay, so this is the next look here. So I'm wearing some white dress pants. They're like business casual. And then I have this satin scarf that I bought from Target that I just had tied in front of me. And I have this on because you can see my bra straps. But if I was to wear this outside, I would wear like a strapless bra or a skin tone bra. That way the straps won't be too like blatantly obvious in your face. But I have this over top. That's how that looks. And again, with this, I would still wear camel colored shoes. I have these pumps right here, so I would do that with this look. I'll put one foot on there, that way you can see that. But yeah, so I would do these camel colored pumps with this just because I feel like it's still neutral. It's just a different color of neutral without, you know, just being all light creams. That's something nice to spice it up. Or, which I don't have, you could do like a baby blue shoe to pop the blue out the top. And then I have this little bag from Aldo, which for me is like a pretty good dupe or really good lookalike for the Jody bag by Bottega. But I got this from Aldo. So yeah, I would do that with this look. And if I had some baby blue shoes, like I said, I would do that. Or maybe like some light purple, like really light, like I guess like a pastel purple shoe, or like I said, the baby blue or the camel color. I'd do that to go with this. But yeah, so that's this look. And you could wear it with or without this. I'll show you what it looks like without this. Remember, I would not wear a bra with this if I was actually going to wear this out. But that's what the back would look like. This is cute. This is cute. Now, if I was to wear no jacket with this, it would definitely be when it gets warmer at night. You know, when it's nice and warm during the day, where it's comfortable to not have a jacket on. Because with this, your back is out, your shoulders are out, you're going to be cold. And if you're anything like me, I don't like being cold. So I would definitely wear this. Even this, I would still be a little chilly in, but at least my back would be covered. If I wanted to do something more than this, then I'd probably, instead of wearing this, I'd wear like a cute sweater knit cardigan, something with some length to it still, or maybe like a cropped cardigan, something like that. Just something to give a little extra bulkiness so that I'm warm. But yeah, that's how I would style that. So we're gonna go to the third and final outfit. Okay, so this right here is the last outfit. So I have these cream satin wide leg pants. I don't know how far down you can see, but yeah, I have these. And then I have this, would you call it a crop top? I wouldn't really call it a crop top. It is short, but it comes down long enough. It just doesn't come past your hips. But I have this on, and you can have any color, like little Skims-esque type of crop top, because this is like a body contour piece from Express. So yeah, it's kind of like Skims. It's like that tight fitted material that smooths you out. So I have that, and then I have this right here, the same vest from the last outfit. Could wear that with this or not. You don't really have to if you don't want to. You can do that. Let's do it without it. Whoop. And then I have this brown bag and my camel colored pumps again. So that's how I would wear this cream centered outfit. So this one is more so, I have like a pop of color, but you could do just a simple color here, a nice little neutral. Do whatever color, even a pattern if you wanted to. And then the cream colored pants, and then the neutral flanking accessories and shoes. So I would do that with this. And yeah, that would be my third cream centralized type of outfit, cream theme. Got some blues in there, some browns, some camels, you know, stuff to make it a little bit more interesting, just so it's not just a monochrome outfit, but these outfits are centered around cream. You get me, we get it, we're on the same page. So yeah, that's the outfits. I hope you found some good inspiration. Girl, if you did, let me know. Subscribe, like, leave a comment. I would really appreciate it. If you love me, I love you. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. We got tons more to come, and I have fun. We did some cute little cream outfits. We can wear it for the spring, we can wear it for the summer. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.